Now just you let me, this is our database, right? cmd, let me log in into that database. Why it is not happening? Done. Now mysql minus u root hyphen p and then govt login, then use database. Which one? Use this one. Done. Sort tables. Yes. Which one is ours? So expense and user, both table is ours only, but up to now we know only user table, right? So desc user, and let us see that. Select star from user. Now this is our user, right? So let me go with this one. Not let me go with this one, let me go with this Sonu, right? Sonu@gmail.com, and password is usual Sonu only, right? Where we'll have to log in, we'll have to log in over here. So this styling I have given by my own, in that backend images which I have shown. This is from my mind all, as well as this one which you are able to see. This is been created by me. Someone was available during that period. I have generated this one. This is that complete bootstrap template I have used in my project, and over there I have given this custom data, and this is all clickable. Once you will click on Google page will open. Once you will click on LinkedIn page will get open, Facebook will get open, and this is which one? For GitHub, I think. Yes, this is Instagram, this is Twitter. So let me give that sonu@gmail.com, password into SONU. Hit enter, login page. If you will not have any account, you can create, you can click over here, it will take you up to that registration page. Over there you can register, and then after you can log in it over here. So let me go that backend. You can see some code might be getting executed. No any execution. Yes, so user image is shown and password. Now see, some execution is happening over here. See, this got executed hibernate. So now @gmail, and user logged in successfully. After login, what will happen? That code I have already explained you. It will take us up to that user home page. Over there at home we will have that username as well as logout button we will have it. Yes, once we will click over here, it will get logged out, and it will keep it up so that either login or index page, isn't it? In that last session we have seen this also practically by ourselves. Yes, with backend code also. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Now after login over here, getting the point, what we need to do, the user who got logged in, for that we have given two options: add expense, view expense. Add expense, why we need to give add expense? Because this application name is what? Expense tracker. What it means? The user can track their expense. It means what? Tracking means what? They can check their expenses, they can register their expenses, isn't it? For that, to register expenses, I have given over here two tab: add expense, view expense. Leave about this view expense, click on this add expense. It is as similar as register page, but it is not registration part, it is for adding expenses. For that add expense, we are having this add expense header. Over here in that expense, what we are capturing, we are capturing title, price, description, date, time. Then we'll click on save. So I have title is what? Suppose I am having Nokia G342. ANT G342. Okay, leave it. Price 12,999. Description: Nokia G G342 Nokia G342 is an Android 5G phone. Clear? Now date when I have purchased it. Suppose I have purchased it 11th May 2025. So that date I have captured it over here. What was that time? Suppose the time was like time was 9:25 in the morning. Clear? I'm saving this one. Error occurred. It is telling some error occurred. What kind of error it has occurred? Okay, unable to locate persistent.com.expense. Okay, something went wrong while saving that expense. Details, regional details, expense login 30. So all details I have captured in that backend, but unable to locate persister.com.expense.tracker.entity.expense. Okay, so in that suppose in that hibernate it is unable to locate this expense entity, right? So I would have to like uncomment it, right? This is this is what this is hibernate with annotation, isn't it? So it means what entity class mapping is there over here, right? So after that we'll have to reboot it or restart it. After restart, now mapping will be done by which one? Hibernate, on behalf of this expense entity, because I have annotated this class in this hibernate configuration now, isn't it? So let it to be started. Okay, done. Come over here, let me refresh it. Logout will happen automatically. We'll have to log in it over here once again. sonu@gmail.com and SONU. Hit enter, register. So we'll click on this expense, add expense. We'll hit it over here. We'll write on Nokia G342. Price is 12,999. Description is what? Nokia is an Android 5G phone. Suppose created on 11th May 2025, and timing was what? Suppose timing was 3:45 p.m. Let us save it. So this way we can track now expense.
At AM 3:45 AM.
So AM is not given over here. This is actually you can get it to know that because it is what 24-hour format na, so writing am pm is not over here, right? You are able to see 22 is 21 is there, 22 is there, 23 is there, then 00 is there, isn't it? So in this case of 24-hour format, we can't give am pm, correct?
Yes.
So this is the way expense got saved, and accordingly that message we got it over here, expense saved successfully, isn't it? After means our expense got saved onto database, clear? Now at this moment you are able to see the I have purchased one project Android, suppose Android Nokia Android G342, which is 5G smartphone. For that product I am keeping the record I am keeping the record what title, price, description, date as well as time. So this is one some basic information which we need to capture it now. Yes, this information we are capturing for all kind of product. Suppose you have purchased hand watch, you have purchased some carry bag, you have purchased laptop, you have purchased some course like Java development course. For that title you are making over here a Spring Boot framework or a Spring framework or Hibernate framework or JSP Chocolate tools. For that you will be keeping track of this title, writing the price, complete description, date and time. You will be adding this expense for your purpose only. You can add n number of expenses. Is there any limitations? No. Can you forget it? No, you can forget, but it will be on that database complete, right? Anytime you can log in and you can check your expenses. How you can check your expenses? Let me make it over here. Like watch Sonata hand watch, Sonata watch, title Sonata watch or hand watch, price 1750 rupees, descriptions Sonata and Sonata main MEN hand watch. When did I purchase? Today it's 30 and 10 2025. What was that time? Suppose 7 p.m. 7 means what? 19, right? 19. 7 means 19, right? So 19 and 9 5. At this time 5 o'clock at the evening I have purchased this one. I am saving this. It will save it on our database. It means what? I no need to write on our notes or purse or any other personal document that I have purchased this one. No, already I have saved. I kept this record into our database. It will be permanent available, right? So this is the user who got logged in Sonu, right? How much expenses he has done. For that we are having view expense. So in this view expense, the logged in user, how much they have done over here, how much they have registered their expenses, those are visible over here. Getting my point? It is having title, this one, descriptions, this is an Android 5G, this one was price, this one was what? Date, expense date, not expiry date, expense date it is having. When I have purchased this one means when I have registered this expense. Timing was 3:45. Who was the user? Sonu, and this is the action. So since Sonu got logged in, he can register, he can edit and delete also. Once he will click on edit, one edit page will get opened, suppose with the same details, one edit page will get open. Getting my point? Now wait for a moment. Now see, update expense came over here. Expense ID, no need to it. I made it non changeable. It is but not changeable mode. This one we can edit, yes. 999, this one also we can edit. 5G, yes, 5G phone. It's I'm updating it. It's 5G TVT is awesome, awesome. Getting my point or not? And when I am updating this one, so that date I need to mention it over here. Suppose I'm changing it today now, so 3rd 30 and 10 2025. Clear? At what time? 10:29. I can write it manually also. 10, not 10, 22, then 29. Then save update. After update, it will keep us up over here. Now you can see it got updated. Yes, its 5G connectivity is awesome. Clear? Now price is this one. This is that updated when I have updated today. So today's date is over here. At what time? This time. Who is the user? So no. Edit is working. Yes. Is that delete is working? Yes. Delete is also working. If you will try to register any other expense, suppose today is over, tomorrow you will log in as you so know, you can add any other expense which you have done tomorrow. Suppose tomorrow you have purchased some clothes. For that clothes you can add your expense over here, and then after you can view over here. Is this visual? Yes, it is visual. Is it working? Delete? Yes, it is working. Once you will click expense deleted. Now this only one is available, right? Who is the user? So no, I'm making it log out successfully. Now I will join, I will log in as with another user. Who is that another user? Satrudhan dot dash @gmail.com. And what is that password? 1123 1123 1123. Let me log in. Now Satrudhan, that username came over here. This is that logout button. How much expenses he has done? I think no any expenses is there available. Yes, no expenses. If he can add expenses or not? Yes, he can add expenses. Suppose he has purchased something like he has purchased Activa scooty. Price was 67,500. Description: Activa scooty is a vehicle, two-wheeler two-wheeler vehicle which is mainly available for women's, right? What was the date? Today 30 10 2025. At what time? That time suppose suppose 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. is how much? 14, right? 14:00. So he can also add his expense. Yes, once we'll come over here, view expense. Now it is available. This expense is available, but for which user? Satrudhan Das user, right? If he will log out, another user can also log in over here. Yes, if that user is registered, he can log in with his credential, and after login he can capture his expenses. Getting my point or not? So
Yeah, yes, sir.
this is yes, So this is what Satrudhan. So this is what 1123. Let me log in it once again. So after login, other options is also working. Edit is there, delete is there, and this is where we are maintaining our expenses using this application. So n number of user can register, yes. N number of users can maintain their expenses individually, yes. Is it visible to all users? No. The user who has created this expense with their credential, they can only log in and they can see that's it. Suppose Chandan is there, Chandan is there, Mithun is there, Satrudhan is there, Sonu is there. When Sonu will log in, Sonu can't see Chandan expenses. When Chandan will log in, Chandan can't see Mithun, Satrudhan or Sonu credential or expenses. Means this application has given security also. Yes. Is your data is secure? Yes. How? The user who created their expense, they can log in and only they can see. That's it. It is not visible to others. Now is this application keeping this track on permanent basis? Yes. This is web based application. It is storing it on our database. It will be keep available until and unless we manually delete it. This is one working example of this expense tracker application, isn't it? So that's all for today, and today we have gone with complete front end, like how to add expense, what is in that add expense, what are the types or things or information we are capturing over here. After capturing, we are saving, and then after we are displaying that you saved successfully. The user who got logged in, who has added expenses, for that we have shown over here view expenses. Once they will click on this view expense, view view expense dashboard will get open. On this page we are showing complete details of expenses, how many that user has added, isn't it? Not only this much we have done, along with this one we have given two options, edit and delete. Whenever they will click on edit, that user can edit their expenses. Suppose they have returned their product, and after return he got some the same product in on newer version. So for that we are keeping over here updated records also. Once we will click on update, it will make us that expense updated successfully with our details, isn't it? We are having delete also. Suppose you have used that project, after using that product got destroyed by you, means that product is now not available, so we no need to keep their records. In that case we are having delete button, we can delete it also. Once we log out, we'll keep it up to that home page itself. So we are at login page. Over here we are having home page, isn't it? So in the very next session we'll go with that back end part of this add expense. Then after what we'll do, we'll go with that back end part of view expense. Then after that next session we'll go with that edit expense. Then we'll go with that delete expense, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
And that's how we'll complete our application. Any query?
No, no, sir. And sir, what,
Okay,
sir,
so
in previous class, you are explaining about that JSP tablet. I think Java tablet API, that part.
yes. Because suppose if you will create any JSP or servlet
Mm.
pages, during that page we are getting error Java X Java X compatibility error we are getting,
Mm-hmm.
right, in that JSP page. So that I have shown
Mm.
you, na? I hope you have gone with that.
Yeah, yeah.
So just you go with that back end of the front end of this registered with another users, and after registering, just you try to capture their expenses. So this much you do. In the next session we'll go with that in back end flow.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you, Suman. Thank you
Yeah,
all.
thank you, sir.
I hope everything is working, Suman. So what happened with your examination? Have you appeared for
Yeah,
that
yeah. I do appear on that examination, and yeah, it's going good. Let's see what result will come.
So when result will publish?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not published that date when result will publish.
So over their website na, you keep
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah.
eye, you will be having that
Mhm.
information when
And
it will
also my
released, right?
phone number and email
What?
ID was linked. So whenever the result will publish, I will get SMS or email also.
Yes. So after getting a response, you inform me also, so that I will have that information whether you got joined or
Okay.
not. But keep it in mind also that is completely in hand of government, and based on your
Mm-hmm.
performance, they will be giving you
Yeah,
that
yeah,
result, right? Whether selected or rejected, both can
yeah, yeah.
happen, right? So you should never completely depend on this government examination for that
Mm.
BTech enrollment. You should also keep some alternative options. Suppose anything can
Mm-hmm.
happen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Possibility is there, selected or
Yeah, yeah,
rejected. So in case of rejected, if selected, that is well and good, you should join there, you must have to join. But in case you will got negative response, then in that case, from earlier, from now and onward, you should keep alternative options, like whether to join, how to join, which college to join. So these things, if you will keep in your mind from very beginning, from here, whenever result will come, you will have that complete options in your hand. If selected in government, join government. If rejected, then you will have other options, you join over there and start completing your
yeah,
BTech.
yeah.
So these things you keep in your mind, think on it, work on it, and move
Mm-hmm.
ahead. Thanks, Suman. Have a good night. Thanks, Anu
Yeah, sir.
also.
Good night,
Good
sir.
night.
Yeah, yeah.
Closing
Thank you,
this
sir.
call. For any query, you can ping me over WhatsApp in personal. I will be
Yeah, yeah.
guiding you
Thank
all.
you, sir.
Thank you all.